up guys, welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have the 39-inch Insignia Roku TV. This is a TV that's very affordable with a lot of features. So let's check it out. Okay, so as you can see right here, here's the box that it comes in. Not too big at all, pretty thin, fit right inside of my SUV. Let me get my knife and let's get it out of the box. We'll start by placing a cut here and here. I may have to use that again, so we'll open this up and open this end up. Whoa, did you hear that snap? Let's see if we get on this side. I like that sound. It only does it once though, but I like that sound. First thing we have is some cautions about how to take it out of the box. I know how to take a TV out of the box. I don't need to read any of that. So we have looks like a stand leg. Stand leg. It's just a stand leg, nothing special. And another one. Another stand leg. And what is this? Some more child safety provisions. I don't need any of that. We have a remote control. Nice size remote. More plastic on it. There we go. It's a little Roku remote. Look at that. And I think that's it. Let's get it out now. Let's see. Oops. Oh, that was just cardboard. No worries. Bag of instructions. And wait a minute. You guys may want to know what's in here. Let me see. Some instructions. Power cable. Just a basic power cable. And some screws, probably for the stand, and some AAA batteries for the remote. Okay, now the last thing to do is to get this thing out of the box. I think I can do this myself. Let me see. Okay, there you have it. TV is out of the box. So let's get started. So starting with the ports on the back of the TV, on the right hand side you have a reset button, USB port, HDMI port, audio out port, and digital optical output. To the right of that we have a power on and off button. On the back bottom of the TV you have some more ports, antenna cable, audio video inputs, and 2 more HDMI ports. On the back of the TV you have lots of air vents for airflow, and also you have some screw holes for wall mounting. This is where your power cord plugs into. On the bottom of the TV you have a few more air vents for airflow, and if you're going to use the included TV legs, this is how they would mount on the TV. I'm personally going to use a TV wall mount. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but if you want more information on a particular mount that I use, I'll put an Amazon link below. So here our TV is mounted to the wall. Now let's go ahead and set it up. You will need a Roku account, and the setup process is pretty simple. Just simply connect your TV to Wi-Fi, follow the on-screen prompts, and that's pretty much it. The entire process takes about 20 minutes. So as you know, this is a smart TV and there are lots of fun features that this TV has. This is your home menu. This is the menu you always see when you power up the TV. It pretty much contains the apps that you want there and your inputs. Below that you have My Feed. It's pretty much your news feed for entertainment. Movie Store and TV Store are both pretty self-explanatory. The good thing about these two are that they have really good categories on the inside of them. So everything is categorized really well, as you can see right here. News, pretty self-explanatory, mainstream news. Here you have a search bar where you can put in an actor or an actress's name, or put in a particular movie or TV show that you're looking for, and it'll bring it up. Streaming channels, most of them are paid for subscriptions like HBO Now, where you can just pay for that particular network. And of course you have settings, nothing too different here from any other TV, with the exception of parental controls. That's pretty standard, but also you have theme where you can actually change the theme of the TV interface, which is pretty cool. There's like 4 or 5 themes to choose from right off the back, and of course there's ones you can pay for. And overall guys, the interface on this Roku TV is pretty snappy and pretty fast. It looks a little overbearing at first when you first power up the TV and kind of, get it all set up, but there's a pretty short learning curve, and I would say after about an hour of messing around with this TV, you'll be a pro at getting around at what you need to get to. Also, I recommend you download the Roku app for your TV. It allows you to manage the TV from your smartphone, and it also turns your smartphone into a remote control, so it comes in handy. Definitely download the app if you're gonna get this TV. And the last and final thing to talk about is the picture quality. Given its price around 200 bucks, the picture quality is definitely satisfactory. There is a lot of oversaturation of colors going on with this particular TV. In my house, this TV is going in a kid's room, and they usually like that kind of stuff. But even if it was going in my room, at this price range, it's not a big deal. Overall, this TV gives you a crisp, clean, clear picture, and it's 1080p. And at the price range at right around 200 bucks, you can't complain about that. Everything I've thrown at it so far, whether it be a video game, viewing photos and videos, watching YouTube videos, or streaming Netflix, it's handled it really well, especially being a bedroom TV. If this was a main TV in our house, I would expect a little bit more accurate colors, a better remote, but being what it is and what it costs, it's fine. Now, as far as the sound coming out of the TV, it's fine, it's okay, it's not gonna blow you away or anything, but it's about what you would expect for a sound coming out of a $200 TV. It sounds good in small rooms, but if you're gonna put this TV in larger rooms such as a living room or dining room or even a restaurant, you're gonna wanna upgrade to a soundbar or something. But for small rooms, it's okay. So in conclusion, keeping in mind what you pay for this TV and what it actually offers, the features, I think it's a great buy. For more information on this product or to purchase this product, I'll put an Amazon and Best Buy link below. I think Best Buy offers a better price because I believe Insignia is their house brand. I'm not sure about that, but I think so. Other than that, please like and share this video, place comments below. Take care, I'll see you guys in our next video, and thanks for watching.